Before we can dive into smart pressure theory, we must get the foundations down first. We need to learn about cumulative volume delta, or CVD. But in order to learn about that, we first must learn about order types and order flow. So we're going to discuss different order types in this lesson. So here we have a person that wants to buy one share at $100. So he goes to the market and he says, I want to buy one share at $100, and his order gets put into the order book. This is called a limit order because it is limited to transact at $100. So unless there is a seller coming and saying that he wants this at this price, nothing will happen. And this just sits here now in the order book until something else happens. So this is sometimes called passive orders or liquidity providers, and it's a limit order. So now let's bring in our other participant, which is our aggressive seller. So this guy, he has one share that he wants to sell, and he wants to get rid of it now. So he doesn't care about price so much. So he just says, I want to get out now. So his market order goes to the market and gets matched up with the best buy order that he can get. And so a transaction is made. And if you were to look at the volume, you would now have one volume transacted between these two participants. And this will be the delta. So there will be one negative delta because you have an aggressive participant here. So that is how order types work. And interestingly enough, you always need a market order matched with a limit order. Even if there is another limit order for selling on 100, it will not be matched with this buy order. It always has to be a limit order and a market order in order for a transaction to take place. And we're interested in who are the aggressors, because an aggressor wants to get out quickly from the market. This can be used for many different things. It could mean that he's panicking. It could mean that he's manipulating the market. He's trying to move price. These guys don't move price at all. We could have many different. We can have, so we have here have at 110. And here we have 90. And we could have sellers for this as well. So let's make this a sell side order book. And those will be, I will show you the order books a bit better later on. But you get the idea. We have sellers and buyers here. And absolutely nothing will happen to these unless there's an aggressive market participant coming into the market. So it's really interesting to see how much aggression each side has. And this will be a very important part in smart pressure theory. So now when you know how this works, we can move on to learning about cumulative volume delta. That will be the next video.